ನನ್ನ ಒತ್ತಡ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗಿ 22 ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ UG/PG ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ದಿವಸ 2.5 ಗಂಟೆಯನ್ನ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರೊಡನೆ ಕಳೆದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯವೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್.
Happy evening. I am Dr. Balram Naik, the principal of Sri Dharmasthal Manjunatheshwara Dental College, a constituent unit of Sri Dharmasthal Manjunatheshwara University, which is headed by the President of Sri Kshetra Dharmasala, Shriman Virendra Hegde ji, and then the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Niranjan Kumar. So we were really fortunate enough to have Acharya ji today, Pradeep Acharya ji, who in fact took a seminar for our students, and I'm really very happy, moved, and then a short of words for him for the kind of how to prepare themselves for the examinations and how to memorize, how to improve the skill of the brain. And so I'm thankful to Professor Ajit Prasad ji, who recommended him, and then it was really a wonderful time. And then as I was observing our students, so absorbing all the inputs that he gave, so it was like so there is a saying, "Jahan man wahan tan." So I could see among our students so that both man and tan, they are fully concentrated on his lecture, and then very good, very useful, beneficial tips he had given to our students and to us also, to those doctors who attended this program. And then we would love to have him repeatedly in our campus. And then it was really a mind-blowing session from him. Thank you very much. Thank you, Pradeep Acharya ji. So thanks once again.
Hi everybody, it's Rajni Patil, principal from JSS Manjunatheshwara Central School, Unkal, Hubli. I am basically from Dharwad, and I am here from since 8 years as a principal. This year we got Shri Pradeep Acharya ji, who is an excellent in developing the human brain of the students. His techniques were wonderful. The memory techniques, what he has told, really the children, instead of sitting for 1 hour, they'll be bored. But when we started this session, they were so interested. They were so engrossed in doing the activities, and involvement was so good. Like 2 hours also, like they didn't feel that it was boring. And the techniques what sir gave, easy to the way he made the children to do is from easy to complex, how to go, and what are the techniques, what are the memory techniques. It was wonderful for the kids. Definitely it will help our children, and for the forthcoming exams we want to see lot of changes in what he has done. For that I am very grateful to our management, Dr. Ajit Prasad sir, our secretary sir, and Pradeep Acharya ji sir, for giving a wonderful session where our children will be motivated by such sessions. And definitely this year I hope I'll get a good rank to the school. Thank you.
My name is Usha Santosh. I am the principal of JSS Sri Manjunatheshwara English Medium School, Vidyagiri, Dharwad. Today I am here to just share the experience that I had when I was a part of Sri Pradeep Acharya's memory enhancement program that he had for our students in our campus. It was a very beautiful experience. A new concept that I got to know when I attended his workshop was edutainment. The word itself was so very interesting, because he said it's a combination of education and entertainment. So learning has to be real fun. Children should enjoy learning, and that is why this entire session was so very fruitful. He spoke a lot about how to enhance memory. He gave us a demo of Pradeep Acharya's rhythm technique, There was another technique called as the number technique, in which the children learned how to memorize 10 different things with various examples. He spoke about that. He also spoke about the how to use left brain and the right brain, how well balanced it should be, and it wasn't easy. Those examples that he gave, it wasn't possible for all of us to do it. So wherein it really meant that maybe that training is required. So it was a completely learning experience, not just for the students, for the staff and me. All of us thoroughly enjoyed that almost 2-hour session that he had. All the children were completely involved, they enjoyed it completely, and even the feedback that I got from the children was really nice. They had a wonderful time with him. So I'm so very grateful that he made time and came and met us, had a session which was a very interactive session. So it was a complete joyful experience. I do look forward for more association with him and his team. Thank you so very much.
Namaste. Pradeep Acharya is doing a wonderful job, inspiring people, giving confidence to people. His memory techniques, I observed one of his lectures, were very good. I think along the line, I'll also learn from him. Even though my memory is not bad, good, but I'll become better by learning. What is beauty about his talking is full of life, humor, wit, connectivity, and it can be applied in life. Make use of him, encash him, and let the best of him come out, and you also become the best. Wishing you all the best. Memory gives you good confidence, and confidence will help you in being productive in your life. I wish him all the best. God bless you, Pradeep Acharya, and God bless you. Thank you.